It's hard being a star sometimes, it's obvious.
Hey, you guys, I am back. Francine on the scene. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? I'm about to say my grace. Y'all, I've been craving Chinese food. Craving. It was a crave. That done brought me here with y'all today with this Chinese food. Yeah. So yeah, I have some shrimp and broccoli with some white. I have a mound of white rice in the middle here, and I have some pepper jalapeno chicken. That's the first time I ever had that. Wonderful. Had me a drinky drink. I have a drinky drink. A drink. Had me some shrimp fried rice. I wanted the shrimp fried rice. I had me some shrimp fried rice in here. Got my water back here. I'm gonna put my drink up there though. But I got my water back here. Because I have to have my water. I can't see my little pretty glass, but it's okay. I have my shrimp fried rice here. Back right there. So yeah, I'm about to get it to eat because I'm hungry. Scoot up a little bit. I'm probably gonna scoot this plate back a little bit. A little something. Because I'm hungry. And these things on. Okay. Oh yeah, I also have some hot oil. I like to control my heat, honey. You ain't finna burn me up like that. They be putting way too much on there. I don't like the oil part too. I don't like the what is it? Pepper flakes. I don't like those. I don't want them in my food. So just pour me some on, control my spice, and keep it pushing. So yeah, I'm about to start eating. So how y'all doing? Got a couple of days for the 4th of July. What are y'all planning on doing? Let me get some of this rice. What are y'all planning on doing? I think I put too much chili oil right there. Y'all, for real, low key, high heat. I went to, that's good, y'all, this chicken. I went to the fireworks stand today. And I know somebody calling. That jalapeno chicken is kind of spicy. I be needing that water, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Like I said, what y'all doing for the 4th of July? Because like I said, I went to those fireworks stands today, and they are extremely high now. Like, wow. They were always high to me. But it seems as if they have gotten worse. Like, not worse, but higher. It's delicious, y'all. It's hitting. Y'all, I'm talking about controlling my spice. Now I made too spicy myself. What was I thinking? I did my egg on that gravy from them that shrimp and broccoli. Baby. Them egg rolls pretty good. I was so hungry. And my eyes watering. Yeah, I almost didn't do this video today. And I was sitting there, I'm like, yeah, I'm not doing that today. I'm not doing no video today. I'm not doing it. I'm about to sit here and eat this food and just enjoy it on my couch. It's hot. And I heard God say, girl, get up. Get up. I promise. He said, get up, y'all. And I got on up. I heard God say, get up, and I got on up. Got myself together for this video. You done started. I ain't gonna let you stop. You're gonna finish what you started. That's what he said to me. Mm-mm-mm. Get some of this shrimp fried rice. So I'm trying to figure out what am I gonna get for my grandson. Like, this is hot, spicy, y'all. But I do want to get him quite a bit of stuff, but I ain't trying to break the bank doing it. That's good. I got this little fan I should have brought in here with me. For real, because it is hot. This food is busting. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Anyway, I was talking to my grandson the other day. And this boy tells me he wants an iPhone. It ain't that expensive. I said, boy, okay. The new iPhone. She ain't rich at all. She got an Android, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with my Android, honey. I just know he just wanted because his friends has it. He wants that iPhone because his friends have it. But my pockets are my pockets, honey. So my pockets can afford that iPhone. Oh. However, I did tell him, I said, if you get good grades, like all good grades on the report card, I put it on that way because that's how you're going to get it. And he's like, oh, Grandma, that's kind of hard. No, it ain't. It ain't hard. If you put your mind to it, it's not hard. You get out good. I told him he can get A's and B's. No, I'm lying, y'all. I told him he had to get out A's to get that iPhone. He figured he already getting good grades because he have A, B's, and C. So he figures he's already getting good grades, and he is. I can't lie. But iPhone worthy of thousands of dollars, baby, you gonna have to get all them A's, honey. You have to get all them A's. Bring one report card here with all the A's on it. We can talk. Cause he like right now, he like, I want it now. He keep talking about, Grandma, this phone is messing up. Boy, that phone ain't messing up. You just want an iPhone. You're a trip. Stan had his phone forever, Grandma. He hadn't had it since his I think he's 11 now. Could be 12. So he had it since he was, I think, 8 years old. Either 8 or 9. But he figured, I'd had this long enough, Grandma. Time for an upgrade. A brand new iPhone upgrade. Yeah, not so much. Hey, boy, you gotta work with Grandma pockets, honey. I know. I ain't gonna be able to do that iPhone in my pockets, honey. I'm trying to fit this in my all this in my mouth, y'all. I'm gonna be able to do it. Mm-hmm. And she did it. Yeah, I had a whole video last night. I had oxtails, rice, cabbage, and got on that video. I got on that video, y'all. I got on that video, y'all. And started tripping over my words. I said, I am not posting this video. I said, nope. Honestly, I went back and forth about it though. I was like, I'm gonna post it because I want to show I ain't perfect. I got bad sides and good sides. And I wanted to post it so bad. I was like, nah, I ain't gonna post it. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna post it. I'm like, and I decided not to post it. I did a short of it though. Because I felt that like the video was like, the whole time I was like tripping over words and I'm like, no. That's that great anxiety and camera shyness kicking in, and it was real bad yesterday. Real bad. I said, Sometimes we just gotta let some of them go. And I was saying today, I'm not gonna get on here and make a video again today. And God was like, girl, get up. That's how he talk to me, girl, because that's how he have to talk to me. Girl, get up. Like, also, I was like, yeah, I hear you, Lord. I hear you. I'm getting up. I hear you, and I'm getting up. So I came on here, got up, got ready. I was just tired and worked all day, so I was like, yeah, I'm not going on that camera now. But for real, I really wanted to come, so I just was so tired. Get out some shrimp fried rice. It's spicy. Is that hot? It's spicy. Yeah, this food is so good, delicious. Hold on. From that hot chili I got on my nose, y'all. It's busting. Oh, I know I should have brought more water. I don't know what I was thinking, y'all. It's my drinky drink. The egg roll was really good. Well, y'all, it's my time. Thank y'all for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new, welcome to my channel, y'all. If you've been here before, I am grateful to have you back. Thank you so much. Thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you so much. And as always, the sky's the limit. Stay in good health. Be blessed. Be kind to others. And protect your energy, y'all. Protect your energy. Much love, blessings, and peace. Bye, y'all.